Okay, this is a drone flight from the 24th. I only did just this one flight. It was really windy. I don't even think it was 2 minutes, but yeah, it's only about a minute and a half. But that was just because it was windy. I did take some screenshots. Just briefly, one, two, I'll point out in the screenshots. The sun's already down. That's just the afterglow that you seem to get. Okay. This was one of the screenshots I took. You can barely see right now, but it looked to me that there was three objects tucked into the clouds. I don't believe they were clouds themselves. And then in a different screenshot, I'll show you something in there. It's where I darkened it up. You can kind of just start to see them just by darkening it up a little bit to knock that glow down. Darken it just a touch more. But also right there, it seemed that there was something right in there. I mean, it's round. Clouds are never perfectly round. Okay, here's where I darken it up a little more. I think I added contrast to this one though. This one didn't pull up very well. But you can see the round objects there. And a round object in there. And like I said, the sun was already down. So none of these are the sun. I don't know what that was over there, if that was just an odd cloud. I'm not sure. Here again you can see the darkness just tucked back in there. Now this is where I pulled this object out. Right here was different. I think it was a different time of the flight. I'm not sure. You can see it in there. When you darken it up and add some contrast, it does wreck the pixel a little bit. That's about the only way you're going to pull some of this stuff out. So I mean, they're not the best pictures, but there's that object there. And I took a couple of videos with my phone. I had my daughter send me some pictures the same day. Obviously the sun was different where she lives. Or it wasn't, the sun's not different, but she wasn't seeing this. This is it's a simulator with the shields. I'm not sure. Jeff P. explains this a lot better, but this was the other day. This wasn't at my house, but And the reflection that's floating around right there, that was really dark red. Normally it's more of a faint color. I thought I caught a plane coming in to the left, unless that's the other video that I didn't add. No, I must not have added that one. This is just a short, quick video. I have some other stuff off my camera I'm still working on, so I'm going to try to get that done at the same time and at least make a video within the day.